Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for Paper Pumpkin. I know this is last month's, but I just got it. They had some shipping delays, and you know that's happening with everybody right now. But let's look here. I haven't even looked at anybody else getting theirs, so I know some people did get theirs earlier. But let's see. Uh-oh, this one got a little bit put together fast. You guys, there's a bolt of ribbon in here. How cute is that? That is really pretty. We also have Misty Moonlight as our Stampin' Spot. It is the birthday month, so we're getting 2 stamp sets. Hold on, let me get a piece of copy paper out here so we could see what they look like. It says, thinking of you, hello, thanks. I will always be here for you. Congratulations, and a little note. And then we've got this flower or fern leaf, and then that looks like little leaves. It kind of looks like this pattern here. So there's that. And then here is the freebie stamp set because it is their birthday month. We've got some 2-step stamping going on. We've got these flowers, and then these are going to get stamped over it. We've got leaves, and we've got the middles to these flowers here. This says celebrate. That says best wishes. Sending you birthday wishes. And time to celebrate. Oh, what a great stamp set. And let's look. Are we making tags or are we making cards? Let's see here. Here's a big thank you. We're so grateful for all our Paper Pumpkin subscribers that they decided to include not 1, but 2 stamp sets this month in this month's kit. And then this is the next one. Unfortunately, if you haven't got this one yet, the Change is Beautiful, that ended yesterday because on the 10th of each month is when you get to decide if you want to join getting some Stampin' Up! Subscriptions, if you want to cancel your Stampin' Up! Subscription, or if you want to keep it going. So, I always choose to keep mine going. Let's get out some scissors here. These are beautiful scissors, but I must admit they are not as good as the Stampin' Up! Ones. So those little paper snips that Stampin' Up! Has, they're about the same size, but they cut so much better. So let's see what is in here. I think what I'll do, I'm not going to do a put together because normally I do it at the end of the month. I do it on the last Monday of each month, and my subscribers can get into my Zoom and craft along with me. And then it'll be played on YouTube as well, live. But it comes with some dimensionals. Anyways, I couldn't do this last month because I didn't have it. I just got it. Look at this. Beautiful. Can you see that? So I think I'm going to do this tomorrow. So that will be on Tuesday. So if you want to see a live tomorrow, make sure you are subscribed. And I will choose the time, and I will put a little thing up there to let you know on YouTube. I hiccuped. Haven't even drank anything. But look at this. Super pretty. The envelopes are gorgeous. Oh man, oh man. Look at that. Yeah, I'm probably going to be making this entire thing tomorrow. There's that. It'll most likely be a daytime live. Look at that. This is some just labels there for your stamps to go on. Here's some more labels. That looks like they're in the pale papaya color. Look at that. Oh, that is different than this one. Ooh. Pretty. These look like the kind of cards that they used to have when you went to Hallmark stores. Are there still Hallmark stores around? I don't know. We've got some more labels here. Got these long ones in that misty moonlight color. We've got these like kind of, I don't know, this isn't called decal. What's it called? What's that shape called? I know when pinking shears make that. This is embossed labels or backgrounds. We'll find out tomorrow. And then look at that. So we got 9 cards. So we will make them as they show us in the directions. And then we will also make some alternatives as well. So here's 1, 2, 3 different types of labels. Oh, look at this. Forget about it. There's cutouts. All right, this one fell out. Look at that. So we've got some cutouts here. Some leaves. Some mountain ranges. And then these. Oh, that's going to be a sun, right? Tell me that's going to be a sun. And then, of course, they give us everything we need. So here's our little dots. The only thing we need is a block, which they send on your first subscription, and the and some scissors. I also like to bring some adhesive, and I bring my own colors as well. But this is going to be fun. Look how pretty these are. It gives us all the instructions to make the cards. So we will be doing this tomorrow. Oh, and even I just saw, look at, it tells you where to put the little dots, the mini glue dots. Look at that. So cute. I am loving this. I love doing, and it gives you a ruler here too. I love the paper pumpkin each month, and they just keep getting better and better. And like I said, this looks like something from one of the Hallmark cards, like the really expensive Hallmark cards. So I love making my own cards. I hope you do too. If you haven't tried this before, Paper Pumpkin is a cheap and easy way to get everything you need to do this, because even if you use some little at-home scissors that are not, you know, the snips, you can still make a great card. And when it's your first one, they send you the block, so you don't need anything except a pair of scissors. And you can, most people have a pair of scissors at home, right? So, all right, I will put a link down below in the description so that you can order this if you want. Oh, and I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. But from what I hear, the one that's coming up next, the one we're registering for, has a golden voucher. And the golden voucher is good for $25 worth of Stampin' Up! Merchandise. And those are going to be randomly placed in some of the Paper Pumpkin kits. So not everybody will get one, but there's a chance to get one, and I think that is cool. So, all right, beauties. I hope to see you tomorrow, and I will talk to you later. Tomorrow would be Tuesday, and it would be the 12th. All right, have a great day. Bye.